Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Android charging slow. Let's get started. First, check your charging cable and adapter. Use the original charger that came with your phone. Cheap or damaged cables can cause slow charging. Also, try plugging into a different power outlet or use a wall socket instead of a laptop USB port. While charging, close all apps running in the background. You can also turn on airplane mode to help your phone charge faster. Avoid using your phone while it's charging. That slows it down and creates heat. And after that, go to settings, then battery and battery usage to see what's draining power. If your battery is older or swollen, it might need replacing. Also, disable features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or location while charging to speed things up. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.